The ABQ Biopark obviously has so much to offer us, from the animals to concerts to the botanic gardens. There is definitely something for everyone. But in order to keep things moving forward and improve the place, they have announced a master plan. And here with us this morning on more on the renovations, the new developments, and how you can have a say in what you would like to see at the ABQ Biopark is our director, Rick Janser. Thanks so much, Rick, for dropping by.
Always enjoy it.
Well, this is exciting. So first off, let's talk about the master plan. Where are we at with this? Because there are obviously things are in the works for the ABQ Biopark.
They are. You know, it's been since the 70s. The zoo had a master plan. So in '96, the Aquarium Botanic Gardens. So we're getting everything new and refreshed. And we started this back in October, I believe.
In the fall.
Monday, we're having a free day.
Okay.
So the public can come in. We'll show them all the plates, where we are in the master plan. They can give us their input. And this just is to get the community excited about the biopark. We want their input.
Yeah, I got to be honest, on a personal level, we've got the family year-round pass. The biopark is just such a great place to go. I mean, there's so much to do, so much to see. Can you give us an inkling on what some of the renovations that you guys have, that you guys are going to do that are coming up?
At the zoo, they're trying to equate our river system here with similar ones around the world. So they're going to Asia, Australia, Europe. You know, it's just tying everything together, what we have here, how similar it is to places around the world.
Gotcha.
So we'll have an African area, an Asian area.
I love that.
And of course, you know, we've got to have our penguins. So that's
I know,
on the master
which
plan.
By the way, I'm glad you brought it up. I didn't have to ask you. Matt has been just going on and
I
on. I want to see penguins at the zoo. I want to see penguins at the zoo.
So those are coming. It's on the master plan.
Awesome. So, okay. So what now? The changes that are going to take place. You're taking community input. You really want to hear from people, from families, from folks out there in the community about what they want to see. Right. How much of that do you really can you, I guess, take into account when it comes to, hey, setting in stone, this is what we're going to do?
Well, you know, we had a survey that went out probably in March, and we got a lot of good feedback. And the master planners and the city, we kind of took all of that, and where there was common themes, we had picked those out. You know, there were some things we just couldn't do, given our space and finances. But we were really paying attention to what the public wants. You know, some of the comments were, you know, it's kind of hard to find our way around. So the new master plan is very simple. There's a commons area, and you kind of go out from there. So you can't get lost.
You know, I notice when you get on the train, and right at the beginning, it seems like there's a lot of work that's being done, like over by where the prairie dogs are. What can you tell us about that area? Because right when you get on the plane, it looks like that area is in the works, or is that kind of just a backstage type of thing?
Well, where you pick up the train, we're trying to get money for a crocodile exhibit. Ooh. You know, we brought the crocodiles in several years ago, and that may be one of the first components. We're going to be requesting some money from the city through the bond initiative in 15 for a crocodile exhibit. So that was kind of in that area.
Yeah.
Right now, yesterday we broke ground on the Bugarium over at the north side.
That's right, the Bugarium. We had that on our news.
That was exciting. And then we have the Rose Garden that's about halfway completed. So there's a lot of stuff that's in the pipeline already. So it's just going to build and build, and it's going to be
getting bigger and better.
Exactly.
And again, you have the opportunity, folks, to give your input on Monday. It's kind of like a special open house. Here's some information. If you show up between, 9 and 5, or there's a little presentation that's going to happen between 11 and 1, but you can give your feedback. You're going to have folks write their feedback down on some cards. Right. And in return, you can get into the biopark for free.
Well, the zoo.
Or the zoo. The zoo part of it.
It's only the zoo, but from 9 to 5, everybody's welcome to come out. So.
That's a great deal.
It is. We haven't done this for a long time.
Fantastic. Thank you, Rick. Always
You're welcome.
Pleasure to see you and talk to you. Pick your brain a little bit. Don't forget, on Monday, we do, by the way, have all of this information on our website. Just go to casa.com, click on the Casa blog, and we'll link you to the info, especially for the event that is coming up on Monday. All right.